In this video, we're going to be using Terraform and KVM to create a virtual machine that's going to be, we're basically going to install Centos using a remote image. Now, I haven't set this up with an account or anything, so I'm not going to be logging into it. I'm just going to build the machine just to show you how you would build it using Terraform. So we're going to look at our Terraform file here real quick. And up at the top here, we have, so if we go all the way up to the top, we have our provider defined right up here at the very top here, and specified right there too. Now here we have a resource defined. This is for a volume, and we're going to name it after the virtual machine it's going to be connected to. And we're also going to specify the source that we want to pull our installation image from. And then down below here, we're defining a domain, which is basically our virtual machine, and we specify the memory and the virtual CPUs to use, and we're going to specify our network interface that we want to use here. That's our host bridge network that we previously created. And here is a disk. We're basically going to specify the volume ID, so we're going to go ahead and reference this resource, this first one. We created a resource that's a volume, and we want to reference that volume, so we're going to reference the ID for that disk. Now here we are defining the console, and here we're defining our VNC connection. So graphics are going to be VNC, so we're going to be able to connect with both of those things. So quit out of here, and we're going to run Terraform init just to pull down the provider and initialize things. We're going to run Terraform plan. This is going to tell us what it plans to do, what resources it plans to create. Notice it plans to create a virtual machine and a volume. So it's going to create those two resources. Run Terraform apply, check over everything one last time, and then just type yes to continue. Now I sped this part up a lot. It actually takes a while if you run it for real. So any case, we're going to run virsh list all, and notice that there we go. There is our new host running, and those other two hosts were those were already existing hosts. So now we're going to just go and check here under var lib libvirt images and see that's our new hosts. That's basically the disk image for our new host. So that's basically the hard drive for the new host that we created. Now we're going to connect to this on the console, virsh console, specify host 4 for our host, and here we have a console. Now I have not set this up with a user account or anything, so we're not going to be able to log in on this particular image, but that's how you connect to the console, and if you did have a user account and password, you could log in with that. So same thing here, I'm connecting through VNC, and as you can see, there's a VNC connection. Same thing, there's a console. We're not going to log in. I have another video I put out, a couple other videos showing you how you would create a VM where you actually log in and set up an account and all of that stuff. So go check out those videos too. And any case, in this one, we're basically just showing you how you can create this just as a quick demo. So now we're going to go ahead and destroy it. So Terraform destroy, and this shows, notice all the red dashes, and it says these will be destroyed. So type yes, and it destroys it pretty quickly. Didn't have to speed that up at all. And when we do virsh list all, notice the host that we had created is missing, but the others are still there.
So go ahead and hit that like button, and you're going to want to hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on all the great content we have coming up. We'll also have a lot of great content we've already put out, so you're going to want to go ahead and look at that history of videos that we have, and make sure you also hit the bell icon. Otherwise, YouTube's not going to let you know when we do come out with a new video, and again, you're not going to want to miss some of the stuff we have coming up. So yeah, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon, and more importantly, leave a comment down below. Not just for me, but for the next person who comes along and watches this video. They'll see your comments and be that much more informed. If you know something I don't know, leave a comment down below. Any comments, questions, criticisms, whatever you want to say, we do want to hear it. So leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.